Good morning, students. Students, we are studying about trigonometrical function. You know already. In the last class, I have told you that these are the basic formulas of the trigonometry. Means most of the formula be derived on the basis of this formula. For this, see first formula. Prove that sine pi by 2 minus theta is equals to cos theta, and cos pi by 2 minus theta is equals to sine theta. See, sine pi by 2 minus theta. Apply the formula for sine A minus B. So according to that formula, it should be sine pi by 2 into cos theta plus minus cos pi by 2 into sine theta. You know, sine pi by 2 means sine 90 degree, which is 1, and cos pi by 2 is 0. So write down their values. 1 into cos theta minus 0 into sine theta. So 0 multiplied by sine theta is 0, 1 multiplied by cos theta is cos theta, so it should be cos theta. Similarly, in the second one, apply the formula for cos A minus B, because you have to prove the formula for cos pi by 2 minus theta or cos 90 degree minus theta. So cos A into cos B, that is cos theta, plus sine A into sine B. See the formula. According to this formula, we have cos pi by 2 into cos theta plus sine pi by 2 into sine theta. Again, cos pi by 2 is 0, multiplied by cos theta becomes 0. Sine pi by 2 is 1, multiplied with sine theta becomes 1. So cos pi by 2 minus theta is equals to sine theta. So these are not a theorem, these are just a formula. You must remember that formula. Sine pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta, and cos pi by 2 minus theta will be sine theta. Similarly, students, you can prove sine pi by 2 plus theta and cos pi by 2 plus theta. I think you can prove yourself. Sine pi by 2 plus theta is again cos theta, and cos pi by 2 sine theta will be minus sine theta. I think you should prove the formula. If not, then I shall discuss this formula in the next class. The next one. Prove that tan pi by 2 minus theta is equals to cot theta. Tan pi by 2 minus theta is equals to cot theta. So the next one is tan pi by 2 minus theta cot theta. Tan pi by 2 minus theta. I have no formula for tan A minus B. So write first tan theta is equals to sine theta minus cos theta. Means it should be written as sine pi by 2 minus theta upon cos pi by 2 minus theta. So now apply sin a minus b formula in numerator and cos a minus b in denominator. So it should be sin a into cos b minus cos a into sin b. Similarly, in denominator we have cos a into cos b minus plus sin a into sin b. Now write down the value of sin 90 degree and cos 90 degree. So you know sin 90 degree is 1, cos 90 degree is 0. So tan pi by 2 minus theta should be written as 1 into cos theta, which is cos theta, minus 0 into sin theta means 0. Similarly, in denominator cos 90 degree, 0 into cos theta, which is 0, plus 1 into sin theta, that is sin theta. So it should be cos theta upon sin theta, and you know cos theta upon sin theta is cot theta. So tan 90 degree or pi by 2 minus theta is equals to cot theta. This is another formula for pi by 2 minus theta. Similarly, we can derive the formula for cot pi by 2 minus theta, sec pi by 2 minus theta, and so on. The next formula for cos pi minus theta and sin pi minus theta. The next formula is for cos pi by theta. Prove that cos pi minus theta, I write again, cos pi minus cos pi minus theta is equals to minus cos theta, and sin pi minus theta is equals to sin theta. This is your next theorem. Prove that cos pi minus theta is equals to minus cos theta and sin pi minus theta is equals to minus sin theta. So student, here again apply the formula for cos a minus b. Cos pi minus theta is equal to cos a into cos b plus sin a into sin b. Now write down the value of cos pi. See students, I am explain here once again. In the horizontal line, the value of sin is 0, and vertical line cos is 1 and minus 1. So sin 0 degree is 0, cos sin 180 or pi is 0, cos 0 degree is 1, cos 180 degree is minus 1. So cos pi is minus 1 into cos theta Sin pi is 0 into sin theta. 0 multiplied by sin theta becomes 0 and this becomes minus 1. So therefore cos pi minus theta is equals to minus cos theta. This is your result. Similarly, sin pi minus theta. Sin pi minus theta, again apply the formula for sin A minus B. That means sin pi cos theta minus cos pi sin theta. Sin pi is 0, you have just seen, 0 into cos theta minus cos pi is minus 1, so this reduces to plus 1 into sin theta. So how much left? Only sin theta. Hence sin pi minus theta is equals to sin theta. So this is another formula. You must remember this formula, you must learn this formula. These are very important formulas while solving the problems. See the another very important formula. Prove that tan A plus B is equals to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B, and the second one is tan A minus B is equals to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. So first see the first one, means A. You write here A and B. A. Tan A plus B. Tan theta is equals to sin theta upon cos theta. So this should be written as sin A plus B upon cos A plus B. Now apply the formula for sin A plus B and cos A plus B. Sin A plus B should be written as sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Similarly, denominator cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Now divide numerator and denominator. Divide numerator and denominator by cos A into cos B. Divide numerator and denominator by cos A into cos B. Then tan A plus B reduces to sin A into cos B when divided by cos A into cos B. So cos B and cos B should be cancelled. We have left only sin A upon cos A, which becomes tan A. Similarly, in second term, cos A into sin B when divided by cos A into cos B, then cos A should be cancelled. How much left? Sin B upon cos B, which is tan B. In denominator, cos A into cos B when divided by cos A into cos B, it becomes 1 minus sin A sin B divided by cos A into cos B. No term should be cancelled. Sin A upon cos A becomes tan A, and similarly sin B upon cos B becomes tan B. So it should be tan A into tan B. These all are formula. You must remember this formula while solving the problem. Now come on to the next formula, that is tan A minus B. On the same way, tan A minus B should be written as sin A minus B upon cos A minus B. Sin A minus B means sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. This is according to formula of sin A minus B, and denominator will be cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. Again divide numerator and denominator by cos A into cos B. Divide numerator and denominator by cos A into cos B. See what happens. Tan A minus B is now equals to, divide first term, sin A into cos B divided by cos A into cos B. Cos B and cos B should be cancelled. Sin A upon cos A, which becomes tan A. Similarly, the second term, cos A and cos A should be cancelled. Sin B upon cos B left, which is tan B. So it should be tan A minus tan B. In denominator, when divided by cos A into cos B becomes 1, and the next one is sin A into sin B. When divided by cos A into cos B will be tan A into tan B. So in this way we derive the formula. You must know derivation as well as you will use it as an identity. Now see another formula. Prove that cot A plus B is equals to cot A into cot B minus 1 divided by cot A plus cot B. Cot A plus B is equals to cot A into cot B minus 1 plus cot A plus cot B. Proof in same way like time. Since cot A plus B should be written as cos A plus B upon sin A plus B. Expand this one, means cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. Denominator sin A plus B, sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Here we divide the numerator and denominator. Divide numerator and denominator by sin A into sin B. Then cot A plus B will be cos A into cos B divided by sin A into sin B becomes cot A into cot B minus sin A into sin B when divided by sin A into sin B becomes 1. Similarly, in denominator, sin A into cos B divided by sin A into sin B. So sin A and sin A should be cancelled. Cos B upon sin B will be left. Cos B upon sin B will be cot B plus cos A upon into sin B divided by sin A into sin B. Sin B should cancel. Cos A upon sin A will be cot A. So this is your another formula. Similarly, we can prove the formula for cot A minus B. I think you are in position to derive this formula. Try to prove yourself. It should be cot A into cot B, cot A into cot B plus 1 divided by cot B minus cot A. Try to solve this formula or derive this formula yourself and give me. I will check it. In the next class, we will discuss some more theorems as well as problems of the exercise. Thank you.